It's got a little spice from that red curry sauce, but it's also creamy from the coconut milk. Hey OFT family, I am about to make a quick and easy midweek meal. So I'm going to do the Trader Joe's Potsticker meal. So everything you have is from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna use a can of coconut milk. This is incredibly easy. Well, maybe. Here we go. You're gonna pour that in your pan. 1 can of that. Then you're gonna need a half of a bottle of this red curry sauce. So take half of that. That looks to be about half. And then we're gonna use 3 tablespoons of the soyaki. We use this in our house all the time for different stuff. So 3 tablespoons of that. And this stuff is really good on chicken. I use it a lot. 3 tablespoons. And it tastes just like it says. A little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of teriyaki sauce. That in there. And we're gonna just whisk this up a little bit just to get everybody together here. And then you are gonna take a package of the pot stickers. I'm using the chicken pot stickers. And you are going to line these up to fill up your pan. Make sure the whole pan is filled. Okay, so I have them all laid in my pan, as you can see here. Now you're gonna cover it and cook it on 400 for 35 minutes. See when it's done. All right, we are done with our Trader Joe's pot sticker bake. Look how good that looks, guys. I just made up some jasmine rice, my favorite from Trader Joe's, and I put a little cilantro on top. This looks really good. It smells really good. Let's give her a try. Hopefully I won't burn my face off. That's good. It's got a little spice from that red curry sauce, but it's also creamy from the coconut milk. Oh, that's really good. And it was so easy. You literally put everything in a pan and cook it at 400 for 35 minutes covered, and that's it. And I made some coconut rice.
Slap it on some rice?
Or jasmine rice. Not coconut rice, jasmine rice. And then slap it on some rice. Guys, this is really good. Everything was done from Trader Joe's. Try it. Make this with your family and let me know how you like it. It's really good. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.